Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start on the video page and you act immediately. Click the settings gear on desktop or the three-dot menu on mobile. Once done, choose subtitles or CC to open the language list. You want to see what's available because YouTube shows uploaded captions, auto captions, and translation options. Make sure you can distinguish uploaded captions from auto-generated ones since accuracy differs. If captions aren't visible, toggle the CC button first. That ensures the language options populate for the next step. Now pick the caption language that matches the video's uploaded captions. That preserves original timing. If your language isn't listed, select Auto Translate, then pick the desired language. YouTube will machine translate the captions on the fly. You do this because translation uses existing caption timestamps for sync. Make sure to check playback speed and caption settings for readability. If translations look off, switch back to the original captions to compare, and note any timing or truncation issues. Finally, confirm the captions display and stay in sync by skipping ahead a few seconds, because timing errors often appear during jumps. If the language is missing, you can enable auto captions or request the creator to add translations. This matters when accuracy is critical. If captions fail to appear, clear your browser cache, update the YouTube app, or retry on desktop, since client bugs sometimes block CC. If problems persist, you can report the issue to YouTube support. Include video ID and steps to reproduce.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.